Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make some homemade red velvet cookies. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so first I'm adding all my dry ingredients, which are 1 2/3 cups of flour, 1/4 of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 salt, 3/4 of brown sugar, 1/4 of granulated sugar. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients, which are 1 tablespoon of milk, red food coloring, a half a cup of butter, 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix it up until it blends well together. Now after our dough is formed, we will be adding in the chocolate chips. I am using white chocolate chips instead of chocolate chips. You can use whatever you prefer. And don't over mix it and just put it in the refrigerator overnight. But if you want to cook it right away, put it in the freezer for about an hour and a half. Now that it's the next day, I'm going to bake the cookies. So I'm going to place them on a baking sheet. I'm going to put them in the oven on 315 for 15 to 20 minutes. Now that the cookies are done and complete, you can enjoy them with some milk, without milk, however you prefer them. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.